Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your daily source for premium mobile unboxings and honest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy S26, the upcoming flagship that's already creating massive buzz across the globe. From its refined design to the all-new performance upgrades, this phone might just redefine what a flagship smartphone can be. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S26 carries Samsung's signature elegance, slim, symmetrical, and perfectly balanced. It features a matte glass back that feels premium to the touch, framed with polished aluminum edges that shine beautifully under soft studio light. The camera module has been redesigned, now blending seamlessly into the frame, giving it a more unified and futuristic look. Placed on a glass table, the S26 looks like a true piece of art, surrounded by soft reflections, tiny green plants, and fresh fruits adding a calm aesthetic vibe, exactly the kind of premium setup you love seeing here on Tech Unbox Pro. Moving on to the display, Samsung once again proves its dominance in screen technology. The Galaxy S26 features a 6.27-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and an incredible peak brightness of 2600 nits. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and the smoothness feels surreal whether you're gaming, scrolling, or watching HDR content. The front camera is now even smaller, giving you an almost full-screen experience with ultra-thin bezels that disappear into the frame. Powering the S26 is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2600 in select regions like Korea and Europe. This chip brings next-level performance and efficiency, capable of handling heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, and console-level gaming with ease. Samsung has optimized thermal control this year, so even under stress, the phone stays cooler and performs consistently. When it comes to camera performance, the Galaxy S26 raises the bar again. The main 200-megapixel sensor delivers exceptional detail, especially in low-light conditions, where every shot looks crisp and vibrant.